Horror movies have always used music to tell us something is about to happen, building tension long before we actually see anything. Now, researchers at Georgia Tech are using that same idea in a completely different way to make working with robots much safer. The project is called Spherephones, and it was created to help people who work alongside robots in factories. Instead of relying on loud warning alarms that people often learn to ignore, the system turns a robot's movements into gentle background music. As a robot gets closer, the melody changes, letting workers naturally sense where it is and when it will arrive without stopping what they're doing. The secret is a unique open-ear headset with 4 speakers positioned around each ear, including one below the ear. That extra speaker makes it possible to hear sounds coming from above, below, behind, or in front, creating a much more realistic sense of direction. In testing, people were able to keep assembling and sorting objects while staying aware of nearby robots simply by listening to the music. The team also discovered that music could become a shared language between humans and robots. They chose calming lo-fi music because it blends into the background while still giving clear clues about where a robot is and whether it's approaching safely. Earlier versions used speakers placed around the room, but everyone heard every sound, making the workspace confusing. Switching to a personal wearable headset solved that problem by giving each worker only the audio they needed. As development continued, the researchers realized the technology could be useful far beyond factories. In virtual reality tests, realistic 3D sound alone, it was enough to make people react as though something was physically behind them. That opened the door to gaming, where players could hear enemies approaching from any direction with much greater precision than traditional headphones allow. The team is also exploring ways Spherephones could help people with vision loss navigate their surroundings, and even support veterans living with PTSD. What started as a simple workplace safety device is now showing potential in entertainment, accessibility, and healthcare. Instead of using music to create suspense like Hollywood does, Spherephones uses it to remove surprises altogether, helping people stay aware of their surroundings in a more natural and intuitive way.